Welcome to OnPrintShop. Today we'll see how to manage a corporate inventory. First of all, let's see what is an inventory in a corporate management. Inventory is when a corporate or a corporate customer wants to place an order for a higher quantity and do not want the total quantity to be shipped at one go, but wants the order quantity to be shipped in parts or breaks as per their requirement. For example, a corporate orders for 10,000 business cards, but they do not want all the 10,000 business cards to be shipped at a time. They want only 2,000 business cards to be shipped first, then 1,500 after a few days, and so on. So now we have understood what is inventory. Now let's see how to manage inventory in a corporate management. To manage corporate inventory, click on Corporate Management, then Inventory, select Corporate, search for the product, and minimum print quantity. So the minimum print quantity for the inventory will be 5,000. Then minimum shipment quantity. So minimum shipment quantity 1,200. Then cost per print unit. So this will be the storage cost for this 5,000 quantity. So it will be 0.01. Then shipment handling cost. So this will be the handling cost per shipment. So $10. Then the storage days. So the storage days for this 5,000 inventory will be 90 days. Now if the 90 days are over and the total quantity of the inventory is not shipped, then printer may charge extra for the remaining quantity for the storage days. Then save. Inventory is created now in this corporate. When customer logs in the corporate on the storefront and places an order for business card, he will need to select quantity. Here it asks inventory yes or no. So customer will select yes. Minimum shipment quantity displayed 1,200. Now shipment quantity. So customer requires the first shipment of 1,500. Here the handling cost is displayed and the total cost. Now when customer places the order, the order number is 1001. When customer click on view detail, here it will show inventory yes and first shipment quantity. When customer clicks on inventory over here, the remaining quantity out of the total quantity is displayed. 3,500 is the remaining quantity, and here it displays the first inventory. Now suppose customer logs out from here and after a few days he requires more quantity to be shipped from this inventory. Then he will log in again Then customer will go to My Account, click on Inventory. Here the inventory is displayed. Customer will click on View. From here, customer will request the shipment quantity required this time. So it will be like say 1200. Customer will click on Continue. Select the shipping method. Now shipment handling cost is displayed over here. Just customer will need to click on Continue again. Select the payment method and click here to pay. And the second lot of the inventory or the quantity, the order is placed for the second lot to be shipped. Now when printers go to the admin panel, orders and list orders, and goes to the order and clicks on Action, View Update Order. From here you can see the details like inventory yes and first shipment quantity 1500. Now when printer clicks on inventory, here the inventory details are displayed. Like say first shipment quantity was 1500 and the second shipment quantity requested by customer is 1200. So this is how you can manage inventory in a corporate. Thank you for watching this video.